What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It has been a little while since I've made one of these videos, so I wanted to jump on in here and get right into this one. With that being said, let's cue the intro. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. So you guys have seen this, obviously it's on my screen already. We're going to go over Cube. Now, the main reason I want to go over this one is because it is a stock that is going to be within REITs. Now, why do I want to talk about that? Well, first of all, I like investing into things that I know do very, very well and are basically recession proof. And these self-storage units, I don't know, most people seem to have one. I seem to be the only one that doesn't actually have a self-storage unit out of the people that I know. But I mean, everybody that I talk to has one. My dad owns these personally, so I know how the business works. I know how well they do, and they pay for themselves pretty much no matter what, even with vacancies, and they turn a profit. And I think that's something great, and I like to invest into things, again, that I understand and that I know. And again, you guys know I'm not a huge REIT investor, but CubeSmart is one of these things where I've been looking at different REITs to invest into. And there's not a ton of them. Well, I guess there's quite a few of them, but nothing that really stands out to me. CubeSmart has really stood out to me. Yes, I have picked up a few shares of this over the past probably year or two. And again, I don't own a bunch of this one, but this is one that I would like to get a hold of if I can get the price to drop. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm still reinvesting my dividends. And right now it is sitting at about $55, which I know is a little pricey. I understand that. But let's look at the overall here. So I believe this company is worth like $66.6 billion, if I'm not mistaken. I want to go into here, the financials portion of it. But you guys got to look over everything. And again, I don't do everything when it comes down to these. But this isn't like a REIT, or this is a REIT, but this isn't going to be like an ETF where it breaks down everything. This is strictly real estate. And let's just go ahead and show you the dividend. They do pay quarterly. You guys are going to see this 2.53% and be like, what the heck, why are we even doing a video on this? Because they may not pay out a huge dividend, but they pay out super consistent. They do have growth in their dividend, which is a huge thing for me. Again, I really want the dividend growth as well over time. And then not only that, but I believe in this business. So that's another thing that you guys really have to look forward to. And if we just go to year to date, they're up, almost 60%. Max, they've done, you can see back in 2009, obviously. But when they first incepted, they were about $17, $18. And then now they're upwards of $55, almost $60. And that's quite a bit for this company. You're going to see the market cap here at $12.14 billion. Volume's a little bit low, but that's okay because, again, this isn't going to be a stock that's highly traded. This is going to be more of a stock that you're just going to hold and hold forever, and there's not going to be a lot of in and outs on this one. But again, dividend rate, you're looking at $1.72 per share of getting a dividend out of your $54, which, again, is not bad. Your rolling yield is about your dividend yield here. One thing I want to go over here, just because we like to back test, again, starting with $1,000, we put $500 in it every month. I think everybody should be able to do this. If you can make a $500 car payment, you can put $500 into the market or something. We always do SPY, HRZN, you guys know that one's a monthly dividend, and then Cube here is what we have in here. The analyzer's already in here, it's 100%. And right off the bat here, you're seeing that Cube is actually going to do better than the S&P, which is actually pretty rare. You guys see HRZN is pretty close, but it's not there. Cube actually does better. And that's something that I like to have. And again, you're not going to put all your eggs into one basket and hope that Cube does this good forever. No, I'm not saying that whatsoever. But you can see that there is potential in this company to continue to grow. I love this company. Now, again, when it comes down to income, you're not going to have a ton. But you are going to get more dividend income from Cube than you would SPY. And it's going to outperform SPY. Me personally, again, know why you're getting into these businesses, why you're buying in, what you're doing it for. Make sure you understand what you're doing. Again, if you don't know anybody that has owned one of these businesses, or you don't know anything about the business, don't invest into it just because somebody says to. Do your own research, understand how the business works, how to make money at it, and why so many people invest into self-storage, guys. Again, if I can get self-storage at a good price to buy the company, I would be buying actual pieces of real estate, not just the stocks with these. And why would I do that? Just because you're going to make more of a return if you own it. But if you just own shares of this, it is easy access to get your money out of when it comes down time. That being said, guys, I hope this helps somebody here. Again, know what you're going into. Know everything about it. The financials, I don't think this will show because, again, I don't have the premium. Obviously, you can see. But, again, make sure you're doing your own due diligence. Look at everything here. Know what you're getting yourself into. And you know what? If you're not comfortable buying it at the highest price, that's okay. Wait for it to dip or something. Get a good deal on it. With that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching this video. I hope I helped somebody else out here, and I look forward to